Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So today I am making a super tasty prawns chilli. This prawns chilli turns out to tasty. Just try making it at home once and you will be licking your fingers. This is a super simple recipe. It does not take much time to make. It gets ready in just 10 minutes. First I heat the pan, add 2 spoons of oil and then fry the bay leaves. After the bay leaves are fried, I fry 1 ball of chopped onions. We need to lightly fry the onion to a golden color on a very low flame. Alright, I also make a really delicious prawns biryani. If you want to recipe, let me know in the comments. You can enjoy this prawn chilli with chapati or even the bread. It tastes really good. Alright, so while we were chatting, look, the onions have turned golden fried. Now I am going to add half a bowl of chopped tomatoes to it. In this prawns chilli, the amount of tanginess you add, meaning the tomatoes, really bring out the flavor. Since these are sea prawns, the sourness adds this own unique taste. Add one more thing, using coconut oil while making this also enhance the flavor. Now the tomatoes and onions are nicely fried, so I am adding about 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. Now add a little turmeric powder, 2 spoons of chili powder and half a spoon of coriander powder. We have to add all these powders and mix them well, then roast it nicely in a pan for 1 minute. After that, add half a glass of water. The more nicely we roast it on a slow flame, some aroma will spread. If you want to make this recipe quickly, you can roast it just a little and still prepare it. Now we will add salt to it according to our taste. Then we will add coriander leaves. After that, we will let it cook like this for 5 minutes. I forgot to add one thing. We need to add 2 spoons of tomato ketchup to it, then let it cook for another 5 minutes. Here I have just cleaned and peeled a ball of prawns properly and now I am going to add them. After adding the prawns, we need to mix it for half minute and then let it cook for 5 minutes. The weather here is really nice. It's very windy right now. Look at how these trees are swaying so much in the wind. I am really enjoying watching. Look at this, the garden flowers are so lovely and their colors are so beautiful. I like flower. And look here, our prawns chilli is completely done now. The chilli is fully cooked now, so I am turning off the gas here. There you go, I have turned off the gas and now it's completely ready to eat. The prawns chilli is ready now. Let me know which of you liked this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. See you in the next cooking vlog. Until then, bye bye.